Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at multiplying polynomials. All right, so let's see how this works. All right, so we're asked to multiply the following polynomials. So in part A, we have two monomials. So how do we do this? Well, we notice that the variables in each monomial are the same, and we have numbers in front of each variable term. So the first thing we do is multiply our numbers together. So 3 times -2, -6. And then we have x squared times x cubed. We use our properties of exponents. We have a common base of x, so that means we add the exponents. So we get -6 times x to the power 5. So I can just put that off to the side. X squared times x cubed equals x raised to the power 2 plus 3. Good. All right, so now let's look at the next one. So here we have 2x, a monomial, times binomial, x squared minus 4. So what we need to do is we need to multiply our monomial into the bracket. All right, so we have 2x times x squared minus 2x times 4. So again, we've reduced our problem to monomial times monomial in each term. So we have 2 in the first. For the first term, we have 2 times x cubed. Again, we add the exponents minus 2 times 4 is 8x. Okay. All right, next one. So in this situation, we have binomial times binomial. So we need to take each term of the binomial in the first polynomial and multiply it by each term in the second binomial, and similarly for the second term. So let's do that. So we have x times -3x, -3x cubed, x times 1 plus 1. Then we have 2 times -3x squared, so -6x squared. 2 times 1 is plus 2. Let's combine like terms, if any. Do we have any? Doesn't look like we do. So I think we're left with -3x cubed. Let's order things from greatest to least degree or power of our variables. So -3x cubed minus 6x squared plus x plus 2. All right, so our next example is a trinomial times a binomial. So again, same thing. We take each term in the first polynomial and multiply by each term in the second, and then we add everything together. So let's do this. X cubed times 2x squared is 2x to the power 4. X cubed times -1 is -x cubed plus x times 2x is 2x squared. X times -1 is -x, and finally 1 times 2x is 2x, and 1 times -1 is -1. Let's group all the like terms. So we have 2x to the power 4, and then we have -x cubed. Any other x cubes? No. -x cubed. Then we have plus 2x squared, only one term with an x squared. Then we have -x plus 2x, so that's a total of 1x minus 1. Wow, last question. Okay, this is a big one. Again, we have a polynomial, 4 terms, times a trinomial. Again, take each term in the first polynomial and multiply by each term in the second polynomial, and we just add all the terms together. Right, so x times x squared, x cubed. X times x, x squared. X times -1, -x. Second term, 3x squared times x squared is plus 3x to the power 4. 3x squared times x is plus 3x cubed. 3x squared minus times -1 is -3x squared. -x cubed times x squared is -x to the power 5. -x cubed times x is negative x to the power 4. Negative x cubed times negative 1 is plus x cubed. And finally, 4 times x squared is plus 4x squared. 4 times x is plus 4x. And finally, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Now let's combine like terms. All right, x cubed. All right, plus 3x cubed, that's 4x cubed, plus 5. One more is 5x cubed. So x squared minus 3x squared, we're at negative 2x squared, plus 4x squared, so it gives us a total of 2x squared. All right, and negative x plus 4x gives us 3x. 3x to the power 4 minus x to the power 4, so we're at 2x to the power 4. We have a negative x to the power 5 and a negative 4. Good, so we can make this a little neater and order the terms from highest to lowest power. So we have negative x to the power 5 plus 2x to the power 4 plus 5, x to the power 3, plus 2x squared plus 3 minus 4. Good. All right. That brings us to the end. If you have any questions, give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call. And thank you for watching.